So we've got this soil pipe here. Rather than cutting a big circle out of it and having a thin bit there, guarantee it's going to crack. All we'll do is cut it in half, so we'll have a spacer in it, and then we'll cut a circle out of each side and have the grout line go in the centre of it. £30mm to the centre of that. So that's there. We've got this little ridge here on both sides. Just putting the set square on the house, putting it up against our template, and just evening this gap here on both sides, like so. So it's probably about there. And then we'll find the centre of that. Just move that over. Our centre lines here. Just bring that over to about there, and then draw around it.